Hello, this is Scott Kruzmark of the How to Hack Real Estate Investing website and the author of Rehab Estimator Pro. We're going to go quickly through a demonstration of the product so that you at least have some idea what it is. If you're interested in the end, there's a website link below and a coupon code that'll get you a very nice discount. So we're going to start. I've logged in, obviously. I'm going to add a property. I'm going to add a property, get the right window. I have a property that's 123 Freedom. I think that's a really cool name, so I'm going to use it again. And it went out and pulled up the comps that are nearby. Well, obviously, not all properties built in an area are the same. So this one the subject property has 1,200 square feet, and some of the other properties don't have a full 1,200. It is a 2-1. Some of them are 3-1s or 4-1. So we're just going to pick the first three. It said based on the first three, based on square footage, that this house should sell for $51,000. So we'll go ahead and use that number. Then we're going to look at the various different repairs that are available to the property. So we're going to walk around the outside of the property and then walk around the inside. I suggest you walk around the outside twice, once looking down, once looking up, and use the Rehab Estimator as a reminder of what it is you need to look at. So in this house, it needs a roof. The garage is attached garage, so the roof covers that, and it needs 6 windows. All right, and everything else is in pretty good shape. I'm not going to go into all the different repairs. I'm going to go to the interior, and I'm going to paint it and put in flooring. You see, this can get some pricey here. I'm going to skip the rest of the items. Normally, you would be looking at whether there's a kitchen, yada yada yada. Mechanicals. You can look in the basement. What's the condition of the furnace? What's the electric panel, etc. And then if you want to get down in the weeds, there's others categories, so you can say, how many linear feet of fascia? Stay away from it. Unless you have some specific reason and it's going to be costly, you don't need to get to this level of detail. And then we'll go down to the bottom, and you can see that this generated a repair list of 19,000. If I just looked at the house, I wouldn't say 19,000, but when realistically, that's what it's going to cost. So I'm going to generate the offer, and you can see that because I had the ARV and I had the cost of my repairs, I can make an offer. All right. So my offer is going to be based on a $41,000 value of $8,000. Well, that seems low, so I'm going to go edit this and change this to 51. So I can change it. Almost everything is changeable. So now I'm going to recalculate, and now we're back to where I think it should be, which is 13,000. I'm going to generate the PDF, which is the output. And notice I can email it, I can throw it to a printer, or I can generate the PDF. I'm going to generate the various different pieces. I'm just going to generate it for the screen. And you can see there's my offers. I have a seller finance offer. There's a list of repairs and a good description of what goes into each of those repairs. And my fudge factors, miscellaneous costs. And if you're working in states where the contract is valid, have some troubles in Illinois and Wisconsin, but this works well in Ohio, there's a offer to purchase. And finally, the comparable sales. This one's actually a new feature that we just added in. That's the Rehab Estimator. So now I have the information for estimating the repairs. and you can see that I have been doing this for a while. After I come back, I can view the PDF again. All of the numbers that we saw in here, the percentages and the costs and all of that, they're adjustable. So, and that's a quick description of the Rehab Estimator. If you're interested in checking it out, you can get the first month for $1 and then the remaining for, I think it's $30, $29.95, using the coupon code that's described below and the website that's below. Anyway, thank you for looking at Rehab Estimator Pro. This is Scott Kruzmark. Also, How to Hack Real Estate. You have a fantastic day.